How to troubleshoot app notification not showing. Firstly, make sure that notifications are enabled. For this, open Settings on your device and scroll down. Look for the option Apps and click on it. Now find the app for which notifications are not working. Click on the app and scroll down. Under the section Privacy, click on Notifications. Make sure that notifications are enabled. If you scroll down a bit, then in the section of Usage, you will find Battery. Click on it. Inside, you will see three options: Unrestricted, Optimize, Restricted. Select the first option, Unrestricted. After doing this, go back to your previous page. Now in your settings main page, scroll to the top. Look for the option Sounds and Vibration and click on it. At the very bottom, you will see the option Do Not Disturb. Click on it and make sure that DND is not enabled. In your settings also, you will find the option Notifications. Click on it. It should be right under Sounds and Vibration. Inside Notification, make sure that the app is listed. Now again, go to the app info of that app, then select the option Mobile Data and make sure that Allow Background Data Usage is enabled. That's all for today. Thank you.